for the gym. Good morning. Well, it's the afternoon now, but I just finished doing my makeup, flat ironing my hair because I have a date. So I have a date with little Tony. We're going to have some sushi for lunch. I woke up this morning, I did my journaling, edited my video, uploaded videos on both channels. Then I went to the gym. I got makeup on my nail. I went to the gym, took a shower, and now I just need to, hold on, because I don't want my business out. So now I just need to, so the only thing I have to do now is just get dressed. So I've had a pretty productive day, and I love when my days start off like that because I just feel like you just set yourself up to have a good rest of the day, you know, when you start off your day good. So I'm happy with the way that my day is going so far. I hope you guys enjoyed the video from yesterday. And I'm telling y'all, try that stuffed chicken, okay? I'm telling y'all, it was lit. It was lit. Now, if you guys know how to do a rotisserie chicken yourself, do it yourself. But y'all know, because I have them up on channel, sometimes I don't have that much time. So sometimes I have to buy some stuff already cooked, and that's sometimes, because y'all know I like to cook my own food. But that was really delicious, and I think like on Thanksgiving I'm gonna do the hens, and I'm gonna stuff it with seafood dressing. So that's gonna be real good. And I think the hens are like really small, so y'all need to try that because it's real good. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on here, show my face really quick. I'm gonna try to vlog while I'm in I'll probably vlog while I'm in the car, but I will vlog for sure while I'm in the sushi spot. I'm going to our favorite sushi spot, which is the Sushi House in the town center. If you guys are from Jacksonville, y'all know exactly where I'm talking about. It's the Sushi House, like I said, in the town center, and it's so bomb. I also like the one, the Sushi House on Bay Meadows. I used to work over there. They know me by name because we used to order sushi from them all the time. So I like that spot too. They have really good sushi. They're a little smaller sushi joint, but a lot of people like Yum Yum Sushi. I don't really like that. I tried them like maybe like twice, and I don't like it. I'm not a fan. But if you guys are ever in the Jacksonville area, you like sushi, try Sushi House in the town center because it's lit. So this is the scent of the day, my Machino Gold, and I cannot find my top. I lost it in the move when I moved here. I cannot find it, so, but this smells bomb. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm wearing. Y'all know I like to be just super chill. So I got this Juice shirt on, Tupac, you know, my little boo thing. And then I just got some jeans on that's like ripped at the knee, and my Adidas slides. But I need to hurry up because it looks like it's gonna rain, and y'all know how I feel about driving in the rain, but I'm hungry and I want some sushi. This is the sushi house. This is our favorite spot. Oh, they got some new signs out here. That's new. They didn't have that before. Squid, I'm trying to squid. Alright, y'all, so our sushi date is over. This is all the sushi we have left over. Tony didn't like his. This was our first time trying the Jaguar roll. It was okay, but everything else was great. So this is what we have left. And we're just gonna head on home. Can I get out this way? I think so. Thank you. I don't know what this is on my steering wheel, like this little white little, I don't know what that is. Y'all, so that crab salad that I had, it's called a cucumber crab salad. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking good. I've made it at home before. It could be a little tedious having to pull that crab meat apart, but it's so good. Oh, so y'all make sure if y'all ever go to the sushi house or any sushi place, because a lot of different places have it, but they make it different. But as for the cucumber crab salad, so lit. Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Y'all, so we made it back home. It is so freaking hot outside. It's like 100 degrees. I'm not joking. That's what the thing said. 100 degrees. It's freaking hot. I picked up a few things from TJ Maxx. So you guys probably recognize these face masks from the last haul that I did. But these are the Beauty Concept face masks. I really like them. I got this exact set the last time and I used them all. I really like them. I like this one, detoxifying charcoal one, the best. But I picked up this one. They're very affordable. $4.99. So love those. I picked up an Eco Tools powder brush because I need a new powder brush. I picked up some more essential oils. So this one has the peppermint, lavender, and lemongrass. I really like to use the lemongrass in my diffuser after I've cleaned my place, just because it smells really nice. So I like that. And then I like peppermint anything, because peppermint scents just make me feel so relaxed. So I don't know what it is, but I really like peppermint. I bought some more under eye pads. So this is by Global Beauty Care. I bought some charcoal body cleanser. This is by the brand Tree Hut, which is the same brand at Sugar Scrub that I love. So I love this. I seen some vitamin C facial cleanser. This is from the brand Clinical Works, and it's just a vitamin C facial cleanser, and it just says that it's infused with vitamin C, brightening, nourishing, and firming. So love this. I'll try anything once. I'll let y'all know how it works, y'all. And I just bought some little booklets that I can do my journaling and stuff like that. So I have to make sure that I have enough journals for everything that I'm trying to do, because the ones that I have now, like I have my, y'all know I have my 5-minute journal. Let me turn my thing around. Y'all know I have my 5-minute journal, and then reading the book The Magic, it wants you to journal 10 things that you're grateful for every single day. So I have a journal for that, but I also, in that journal, I have like my bills and stuff like that written. So I gotta get organized, okay? So that's why I bought these two. So this one right here, the one that has like the little S on the front, so you could just do all your little journaling. It's pretty thick. And then this one, it just says on the day. You write the date and, you know, whatever else you need to journal. So these will definitely come in handy. And yeah, that's all I got from TJ Maxx. Now I can finally chill. I might even pour me up a glass of wine, because I just want to relax. So I think I might break open my Yes Way Rosé for the first time, but I need to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit, because it's room temperature. But yeah, Yes Way Rosé.